Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I wanted to comment on a couple things. I'm still on this roof that Terry's doing a skylight on. And first thing I want you to see is you see all the sealant that connects from the sidewall to the flap of the wiper sill. Now this is the flange that's closed up against the coach. But you see how all this sealant is separated, broken free from the coach? Now, what's going to happen is, as time goes, because they do not have a side out topper, is water's going to, it's going to obviously get past the drain gutter, and it's going to get down in here, and it's going to set here. And that's going to soak, and it's either going to go behind where the wiper clips on, to the wall itself. And what will happen, if you see in like other pictures and videos, is it will actually dry rot this wall and cause water damage. And the water damage can come clear up as high as, the roof line. So anyways, keep an eye on that. Again, I would tell you to get some Acrosol, get a plastic scraper that we're always talking about, scrape all this stuff off. And whether you use GeoCell silicone or you use GeoCell, the harder, the ProFlex version, or you use the Boss silicone, scrape all this off. You can put clear or black back over the top of it. Just make sure you're taking your time in your prep. And you might want to do this when the room is in the out position so that you can get, more room in there to get to it. Okay, stay tuned for more, and I hope this information and tips helps. Thanks so much for watching.